If you feel that your energy and firmness during erections are not the same as before, know that this change is not inevitable. As the years go by, the body requires more attention to maintain proper functioning, especially when it comes to blood circulation and hormonal health. This is exactly where folic acid comes in as a powerful ally. This vitamin can be the key to improving vitality and restoring confidence in your intimate life. Even after the age of 60, in addition to supporting cell renewal, it boosts circulation and strengthens blood vessels, essential factors for firm and lasting erections. I am Laura Silva, a urologist, and throughout my clinical experience, I have seen how proper supplementation can transform men's quality of life. In this video, I will show why folic acid is so important and how it can be incorporated into your routine for real and lasting results. Before continuing, make sure you are subscribed to the channel to keep receiving content about health and sexual education. If this video provided useful information for you, click like so it can reach more people. Also, share your thoughts in the comments. Type 1 if you like the topic, or 0 if you have suggestions to improve the content. Your interaction is very important. It may seem like a simple topic, but folic acid carries a significance that goes far beyond what most people imagine. This vitamin can be a true ally for maintaining vitality and improving health in many aspects. Especially for men over 60, folic acid plays a key role in cell growth and renewal and is widely recognized for its importance during pregnancy. However, few people know that it also plays an essential role in men's health, particularly as they age. Since it is water-soluble, the body does not store folic acid, making it necessary to obtain it through food or supplements. In addition to supporting the body's basic functions, this vitamin directly contributes to sexual health and fertility, exceeding traditional expectations. Maintaining balanced levels of this vitamin can make all the difference, especially since sexual health involves much more than hormones and physical functions. It reflects the overall well-being of both the body and mind, and folic acid helps keep this harmony in proper balance. Do you want to improve your sex life and strengthen the bond in your relationship? In my digital book, Rediscovering Intimacy, Healthy Sexuality After 60, you'll find practical tips to reignite desire, address emotional and physical challenges, and build a deeper connection. Click the link pinned in the first comment to learn how to transform your love life. Research shows that folic acid improves sperm quality and can even increase fertility rates. This is especially valuable for men who are planning to grow their families or have faced difficulties in this area in the past. But the benefits of this vitamin don't stop there. It also plays an important role in maintaining cardiovascular health and blood circulation, since healthy blood vessels are essential for good sexual performance. Ensuring the right amount of folic acid in the body can help maintain balance as time goes on. It is natural for the body to require extra care, especially when it comes to cardiovascular health for older men. Keeping this area in good condition not only preserves vitality, but also directly impacts quality of life. This is where folic acid emerges as a powerful ally. This nutrient plays a key role in reducing homocysteine levels, a compound that, when excessive, can harden arteries and increase the risk of heart problems. By keeping homocysteine under control, folic acid supports blood circulation, which is essential for proper body functioning, including sexual performance. After all, a healthy blood flow is necessary for erections to occur, in addition to strengthening cardiovascular functions. Folic acid also protects against common age-related diseases, such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and even more severe heart conditions. And it doesn't stop there. Few people realize that it also acts as an antioxidant, helping to combat damage caused by free radicals. This protective effect is essential for preserving cells and keeping muscles and blood vessels healthy. Another important point is fighting inflammation. This is one of the factors that can interfere with sexual performance and even lower energy levels by keeping inflammation under control. Folic acid contributes to greater energy and balance to get the most out of these benefits. It is essential to ensure adequate intake of this vitamin. The daily recommendation for men is around 400 micrograms, but it can be adjusted in specific cases, such as for those looking to improve fertility or strengthen cardiovascular health. For many men, taking care of their health means paying attention not only to daily habits, but also to the nutrients the body needs to function well. Folic acid is one of those nutrients that deserve special attention, mainly because it can be difficult to get the ideal amount through diet alone. In this case, using supplements can be a practical and efficient solution. This vitamin is found in foods such as leafy greens, broccoli, oranges, beans, and fortified cereals. However, even with a balanced diet, some men may need an extra boost. Absorption problems caused by intestinal disc diseases or long-term medication use may require higher doses, always under medical supervision, to adjust the right amount for each case when combined with other nutrients. Folic acid becomes even more effective. An example is vitamin B12, which works alongside folic acid in the formation of red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. This combination not only prevents anemia, but also fights fatigue and maintains high energy levels, in addition to improving circulation and strengthening the immune system. Folic acid and vitamin B12 also support mental health. They help maintain proper nervous system function, boost mood, and promote a sense of vitality. These nutrients form a powerful combination for those who want to stay active and energized over the years. When it comes to enhancing the benefits of folic acid, it is worth noting that it works even better when combined with other essential nutrients. This type of combination strengthens men's health and several aspects, creating a solid foundation for a more balanced and functional body. Vitamin C, for example, is well known for boosting the immune system, but its role goes far beyond that. It helps the body absorb folic acid more efficiently. Additionally, it supports healthy blood vessels and improves circulation, both of which are crucial for physical and sexual performance, with its strong antioxidant properties. Vitamin C fights damage caused by free radicals, which accelerate aging and reduce vitality. It also reduces inflammation, protecting the body against diseases such as heart problems and even erectile dysfunction. This cellular protection ensures that muscles and blood vessels function properly, maintaining energy and well-being. Citrus fruits, bell peppers, and supplements are great sources of this vitamin. Regular consumption of these foods not only improves folic acid absorption, but also strengthens the immune system and protects cardiovascular health. Another highlight is the minerals zinc and magnesium, which work together to maintain hormonal balance and provide energy. Zinc is essential for testosterone production, supporting libido, fertility, and sperm quality. It also strengthens the immune system, helping the body defend itself against infections and stay healthy. Men with low zinc levels may experience reduced testosterone and libido. To avoid this, it is worth including foods rich in this mineral, such as meat, seafood, and seeds in the diet. Magnesium, on the other hand, is equally important. This mineral is involved in over 300 biochemical processes in the body, from energy production to muscle and nerve function. It also helps maintain strong bones, supports cardiovascular health, and ensures proper communication between nerve cells. Together, folic acid, vitamin C, zinc, and magnesium form a powerful team to promote vitality, health, and well-being, helping men feel stronger and more confident in all aspects of life. Maintaining hormonal balance is essential for male vitality and magnesium plays an important role in this process. It helps regulate testosterone levels, supporting both sexual desire and mood. Including magnesium-rich foods in your diet, such as spinach, avocado, almonds, and whole grains, is a practical way to strengthen the body and enhance the benefits of other essential nutrients, such as folic acid and zinc. After years of working with men interested in improving their health and quality of life, I've learned that it's never too late to invest in your well-being. Taking care of the body and mind in an integrated way makes all the difference, especially when the goal is to maintain physical and emotional energy at optimal levels. Adding folic acid and other nutrients to your routine can be an effective way to improve sexual performance and boost energy. More than that, this practice helps strengthen self-confidence, promoting a healthier and more active lifestyle. However, it's important to remember that every body functions differently. The way the body absorbs vitamins and minerals varies from person to person and can be influenced by factors such as age and medical conditions. That's why before starting any supplementation, it's best to consult a healthcare professional. This guidance ensures that nutrient doses and combinations are tailored to individual needs, providing the best results for health and well-being. Taking care of your health is always a key step in maintaining vitality and enjoying life with greater confidence. In this video, we talked about how folic acid can be a powerful ally in strengthening circulation, improving sexual performance, and promoting overall balance in the body. We also discussed how it supports cell renewal and cardiovascular health, offering benefits that go far beyond expectations. Now I want to hear from you. What information about folic acid caught your attention the most? Leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences. If you enjoyed this content, click like. Your support is very important because it helps this video reach more people who can also benefit from this information. And don't forget to share it with friends and family. Talking about health is always important on this channel. You'll find more videos about men's health and sexuality with practical tips for men over 50. Be sure to check out the other content. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.